24 hours later, my package finally arrived. Oh well, let's unbox this thing. Okay, we got harness. Okay, plug in for the satellite radio. Screws. Here's the remote. Instructions. And the stereo itself. Looks like everything is here. Let's put this thing in. Like I said before, I already unlatched this, so this will slide out. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to slide this out, unplug the harnesses, and I'm just going to take the old harness out and use the new harness from the new stereo system on the car, and then I'll be able to put the stereo head unit in. So let's get this started. Okay, I unplugged everything. RCA, these go to the amp, antenna, and that's the harness itself. So what I'm going to do here is, since the wiring codes are the same on the new stereo as the old, all thing I'm going to do is just take this loose, one wire at a time, and match it up to the new harness of the same color, solder everything, put everything back together, and then I'll be able to put the stereo back in the car. And now I got everything plugged in. I set the clock on it. I haven't got the XM radio subscription yet, but I'm going to do it as soon as this video is over with. But first thing first, I put a CD in there, and let's see how everything works.
It's me. Sorry, but I had to ring your doorbell so late. But there's something bothering me. I really am sorry, but it just couldn't.
And that is that. Also got a nice little remote. Okay. Now I'm going to go get the XM radio subscription done. But that's it. Thank you for watching the video, and more to come.